So in about, I don't know, 24 hours or so, we got about 2 feet of snow. And everything has changed all of a sudden. So it went from minus 35 degrees a couple days ago to about positive 10 degrees right now. As it slowly just warmed up and just dumped and dumped and dumped really, really fine powder snow. And now it's finally stopped snowing, and the temperature's gonna start dropping again. Really, I think we're gonna go down to minus 40 over the next few days. So this is the driveway I just shoveled out. That's the Cadillac right there. I mean, it is just insane. God. Anyways, I'm gonna keep cleaning this thing up. I probably won't use it because it's just front wheel drive. But it says it's 6 degrees right now. Oh man. So yeah.